Hi, I'm Jack, the founder of promoaf.com. I'm a China sourcing agent with 15 years of experience helping businesses, especially promotional product distributors, find and source high quality customized product from China factories. This channel is your ultimate guide to everything you need to know about sourcing promotional product from China. Whether you're looking for tips on finding reliable factories, navigating cultural differences, understanding production processes, or learning how to save on costs, you are in the right place. I've spent years working directly with the factories, learning the ins and outs in this industry, and building trusted relationship with suppliers. I will share insights, tools, and strategies to make your sourcing journey easier and more successful, no matter what your experience level. From product idea and customization option to shipping logistics and negotiation tips, I've got you covered. So if you are ready to level up your sourcing games and take your business to next level, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. New videos every week. Don't miss out on inside knowledge to boost your business.